and welcome back.
Okay, my plan today is to check and clean the front brakes. I want to make sure this caliper is working fine inside, and I want to change the brake fluid. There's loads of dirt in there at the bottom. Let's get some work done. Keep watching. Needs a really good clean. Might even need new brake pads. There's not much on them. Put that back on to undo the other bolts. Check this too, that it comes away freely. Good. Right, now I can take the caliper apart. Yeah, it's a shame. I'll need to get new brake pads now. I'm pretty sure they'll be an MOT fail. Awesome. I can feel movement in there. It's nice and clean inside there. Right, that's all a proper clean inside. Okay, there's something amiss going on with the piston in there, because it won't go back in beyond its original place, and I'm near sure it's to do with this rubber seal. It looks like I'm going to have to pop the piston out just to see what's going on. Yep, look at that, it was all stretched. Yeah, that's been the culprit. Other than that, everything looks reasonably good in there. I'll clean it up, I'll get a new set of seals, new brake pads, and put it all together. And that is going to be brand new. Piston is beautiful, not a mark on it. Right, that'll do for now. There is no point in going any further until I get new brake pads and seals. To be continued, folks, and thanks for watching.